Let's learn construction vehicles. Dump truck. This is a dump truck. It carries dirt and sand. Can you say dump truck? Great! This is a bulldozer. It pushes heavy things. Can you say bulldozer? Awesome! Excavator. This is an excavator. It digs the ground. Can you say excavator? Wow! Cement mixer. This is a cement mixer. It mixes cement to build houses. Can you say cement mixer? Good job! Road roller. This is a road roller. It makes the road smooth. Can you say road roller? You're amazing! Front loader. This is a front loader. It lifts and moves dirt or rock. Can you say front loader? Fantastic! Mobile crane. This is a mobile crane. It lifts heavy things up high. Can you say mobile crane? Excellent! You did it! Great job learning construction vehicles.